Are trick-based SAT problems confusing? Let's see. So we're given xy plane above, O is the center of a circle, and AOB is pi by a radians. So it's given. What is the value of A? Also, a point is given. So first, let's see what's given to us in the problem. Angle AOB is pi by a radians. That's given. Also, point A is given. The x and the y coordinate is √3, comma 1. Now, if you remember unit circle, the x value is the cosine value and the y value is the sine value. So √3 is the cosine value here, y is 1, the sine value. So let's go ahead and draw a triangle, okay, using this information that we have. So we have this angle AOB. If I drop an altitude from A onto here towards OB, then we can draw that right angle triangle, which is, this is the right angle. And we know here that this x value is √3, which is the cosine value, right? This is, we said that was the cosine, that was the sine, and this 1 out here is the y value, the height of the triangle. Now, what is this question mark? That is the r value or the hypotenuse. Okay, so using Pythagoras theorem, r squared is √3 squared plus 1 squared, and that is 3 plus 1 is 4. So r is square root of 4 is 2. So we calculated the right triangle to have a hypotenuse of 2. Okay, so now we can basically go ahead and use SOHCAHTOA to find what that angle is going to correspond to. Okay, so find angle AOB with the given SOHCAHTOA. We can try finding that out. So we are given sine pi by, we said this is sine pi by A, is equal to SOHCAHTOA. So sine opposite divided by hypotenuse. What is the opposite here is 1, and the hypotenuse we calculated to be 2. So the sine pi by A, which is that AOB, is equal to 1/2. Now this is beginning to look very familiar, isn't it? Now step C, we want to see which one does it actually match. So what value of sine theta will equal 1/2 in the unit circle? Remember, it's pi by 6. So sine pi by 6 or sine 30 pi is 180 by 6 is sine 30 equals 1/2 in the unit circle. Okay, so if this is equal to 1/2 in this unit circle, so the pi by 6 then should equal this pi by A that they gave us, because this is the same 1/2. So correspondingly, you see the A is equal to the 6. If pi by A equal pi by 6, then the A should be equal to 6, right? So that is our final answer, A equals 6. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll talk to you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.